Ready?
His board is starting now, Vish.
Are you ready?
Horseshoe Fall! Come on your head, come on your head.
Happy birthday! Hello everyone, welcome back to Sharma Family USA vlog. After fantastic trip of New York, we are here at Niagara Falls और आज हम आपको अपने साथ घुमाने वाले हैं Niagara Falls. सबसे पहले हम लोग आए हैं यहाँ पर विजिटर सेंटर पे. And here is our way. We are going inside. Let's have a look. यहाँ पर ये गिफ्ट शॉप है.
इधर विजिटर
Buy your
सेंटर.
souvenirs from here.
By the number 3, Niagara Falls is made up to 3 waterfalls. Horseshoe Fall है, American Fall and the Bridal Veil Fall. Bridal Veil तो Yosemite में भी था ना.
Right.
और 3,160 tons of water flow over Niagara Falls every second. And 1885, Niagara Falls State Park is oldest state park in America, established in 1885. Wow. Feel the rush, memories. Yay. पीछे नाइग्रा फॉल्स.
यहाँ पर खाने का बिल्कुल भी प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. इतने सारे इंडियन फूड्स हैं, इतनी वेराइटीज़ है. तो अभी तो हम लोग आ गए हैं लंच करने. बहुत जोर की भूख लगी है और आपको भी दिखाते हैं कितने मस्त इंडियन ऑप्शंस हैं यार.
This one is Indian roti shop. It's डोसा, छोले भटूरे, आलू पराठा, वेज थाली, बिरयानी, नूडल्स.
दिस शॉप इज़ फॉर सोवेनियर. तो अभी पहले हम खाना खाएंगे, देन वी विल गो लेटर.
And that's the dosa hut.
तो आज तो मेरा साउथ इंडियन खाना खाने का मन है, तो हम खाते हैं
Dosa.
ये.
It's a dosa hut. I see.
हम लोगों ने लंच में ऑर्डर किया है यार मसाला डोसा, वेज बिरयानी एंड समोसा.
This is biryani thawi.
अभी हम लोग आ गए हैं नायग्रा फॉल्स स्टेट पार्क और ये यूएस का फर्स्ट एंड ओल्डेस्ट नेशनल पार्क है. इस्टेब्लिश हुआ था जुलाई 1885 में. आइए आपको घुमाते हैं. अभी कम.
So we're gonna go for the Maid of the Mist first. Welcome Center at Niagara Falls State Park.
यहाँ से हम टिकट परचेज कर रहे हैं. सो वी ऑलरेडी
Have the online, but I think we have to buy the.
very long line to go. Made of mist. So I think
Probably-
it will take 2 hours. We have to stand in line for 2 hours.
Then we'll go.
तो अभी वहाँ से हम लोग पहुँचे हैं यहाँ तक. बट द गुड थिंग इज़ वेदर बहुत अच्छा है, तो लाइन में खड़े होने में इतनी प्रॉब्लम नहीं हो रही. बिकॉज अगर जैसे वो न्यूयॉर्क वाली ह्यूमिडिटी होती तो बहुत मुश्किल हो जाता है इतनी देर लाइन में खड़े होना, या लेकिन स्वेटिंग हो जाता है. और अभी हम पहुँच गए ये पार्क काइंड ऑफ एरिया, और लाइन वहाँ से घूम कर यहाँ आएगी.
We're gonna come this side, and then it will go there.
सो आई थिंक यहाँ पे क्या होता है, यहाँ पे ना ऐसे आप रिजर्व नहीं कर सकते हो अपना स्लॉट. इट्स लाइक फर्स्ट कम फर्स्ट सर्व. मेड ऑफ मिस्ट का टिकट तो हमने ऑनलाइन परचेज कर लिया था, बट स्टिल वी हैव टू like stand in the line, and there is
Exchange your ticket.
there is one green booth where you can collect your tickets.
But you will save few times. Sometime payment or something का ना. If you buy online. Otherwise same process.
लोगों को हाफ एन आवर लगा है इस टिकट बूथ तक पहुंचने के लिए. जितनी लंबी लाइन लग रही थी, बट उस हिसाब से उतना वेटिंग नहीं था, काफ़ी स्पीड से चलता था. तो वी आर ऑन द टिकट बूथ्स नाउ. जो फर्स्ट बोट है वो जाता है मॉर्निंग 9 o'clock और लास्ट बोट टाइमिंग है 8 o'clock. और हर 15 मिनट्स के बाद एक बोट जाती है और टिकट बूथ 7:45 पर क्लोज हो जाता है.
All right, thanks, man. Yeah, 28. Maybe you know what I did? I gave one.
Yes.
So we got the tickets.
And these are the postcards.
And this is us.
Almost.
And weather is like partially cloudy, sometimes sunny, sometimes cloudy, but it's good. ये सामने है एलिवेटर और इस एलिवेटर से हम लोग जाने वाले हैं ऑल द वे डाउन, जहाँ से
हम लेंगे
बोट. ये and here is Avish. लोगों के बेबीज़ छोटे हैं, वो लोग स्टॉलर से आए हैं, तो लोग अपना स्टॉलर यहाँ पर पार्क करना होता है। और इधर से आ रहा है व्यू।
This is the American Fall.
Yeah.
And there's the main Niagara Fall, Horseshoe Fall.
This is the American Fall.
That's called Horseshoe Fall. That's the main Niagara Fall.
Yeah.
Yeah. So no, we'll take the boat. We'll go that side. You see that one? That boat?
तो ऊपर से ये व्यू आ रहा है। दिस वन इज़ अमेरिकन फॉल और उसके पीछे है मेन नायग्रा फॉल। एंड लॉट ऑफ पीपल आर देयर एंड दिस इज द लाइन एंड उधर अवेश एंड आशु खड़े हैं लाइन में। ब्रिज, इंटरनेशनल रेनबो ब्रिज।
Yeah, this is the Rainbow International Bridge. You can cross. This connects the US and Canada.
So that
So
side is Canada and this is US. So
You can cross the-
बाय कार आ सकते हैं US and US से।
जा सकते हैं. And this is the boat we're gonna take. 4 Made of the Mist. वो है Canada. And that was the line we were standing. We're standing the line for the elevator. So this is the Niagara River from down.
Thank you. Go right ahead.
I think this one is going. I think this one is going. That's good. You don't want to. Thank you. This is the poncho, Avish. So there's the boat coming back. So in the US they give the blue color poncho, and the Canada side they gave the red one, right? वो लोग रेड पहन के रखते हैं, इधर यूएस वाले ब्लू. Poncho.
That's very poncho.
I already got my poncho. I'm looking like a whale fish. I'm gonna swim now. And this is Avish getting ready with the poncho. Yes. Good job, Avish. No, you have to cover your head, okay? Put your sunglasses and cover your head. Who is this guy? Who are you? Oh my, like Jadoo. Avish, it's okay. What you doing?
Put your hands out.
Now I'm a whale.
Yeah. Put your hands out, Bita, please.
Hey, I want to be a whale. Bad, because I already have a poncho.
Hello, hello, hello.
Hello.
Niagara Falls.
Hello. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Silver Family USA Watch. Today we came Niagara Falls.
All made of the mist.
Inside the boat. We are going inside the boat.
I don't want to sit down.
Avish, for some time.
We are on the boat for Made of the Mist. And boat is almost full now. We came from there. ऊपर था ना वो observation deck. From there we came down. And from there, this is the flag, and that's the Rainbow International Bridge.
Ready?
This boat is starting now, Avish.
Are you ready?
Yes.
Where are you? I can't see you. Look here.
Look there, look out.
There's the American Fall.
In 1955, the first modern Made of the Mist boat entered the river, made of steel and powered by twin diesel engines. just as much as our thousands.
से आए थे ना नीचे, that's why better.
ऑब्जर्वेशन डेक वहाँ से आते हैं नीचे हम लोग.
That's why we created
It's going faster. See?
first newly built all-electric
Here.
vessels. These zero-emission boats
Looking like a balloon. Avish here, Avish.
vibration of exhaust and they're unlike
Yeah.
big journeys and
The mist started now. Oh, Avish. Can you go that side? Can you stay here? Look this side. Oh, Avish. And that one is the cave of the wind, the yellow plastic. Now the main fall is coming. This is Horseshoe Fall.
water goes down
You want to go there
into Lake Ontario.
and see? Just stay here. Look at me. Let me tie my poncho.
As we approach this iconic wonder, we once again
Avish, are you ready?
on our own side.
Are you ready to see the main waterfall? This is the Niagara Fall Horseshoe. This is the Niagara Horseshoe Fall. Cover your head, cover your head. Yeah, Avish. This is the Niagara Fall, main one. Behind us. Avish here, look. This is the main. Avish here. It's gonna turn now. It's turning back.
Providing up to 2.5
Oh, it's rotating.
million kilowatts of
Taking turn.
Tesla's revolutionary spirit continues to inspire us, and is one of the many reasons for our new all-electric boats. This leading-edge technology
That's American Fall. Behind us. Look. Look here. Whoa. So now we are going back.
We are all back. It's amazing experience.
First one.
Awesome. The color red there, that's the Canada side, and हम लोग हैं blue.
Blue is US side.
Yeah.
There's the Canada. Bye bye
It's
Canada.
time to say bye bye to Made of Mist. Made and इसके बाद हम लोग जा रहे हैं अमेरिकन फॉल और यहाँ से ये स्टेयर्स हैं जो ऊपर जा रही हैं.
So you can see,
So we have to hike.
yeah, just a little bit.
Yeah.
Few stairs. आराम से. Be careful. And you can see whole.
But no, up from that
No.
way, that way, that way.
Let's see. Let's see first this side. What is this? Come on.
We are going that way.
Wow. Birdies. Wow. तो वहाँ से ली थी हमने बोट अपनी.
This one is American Falls. तो हम स्टेयर से ऊपर आए हैं for this view, but it's looking very foggy because water is flying.
Oh.
And that's American Falls.
Come on, let's go.
Should we go now?
And happy birthday.
Oh, thank you, Abhi.
Happy birthday to you.
Yay. And this is the view from observation deck. और वो है अमेरिकन फॉल.
ये था हमारा मेड ऑफ द मिस्ट का व्लॉग. अगर आपको ये व्लॉग पसंद आया है तो प्लीज लाइक, सब्सक्राइब एंड शेयर. जल्दी मिलते हैं आपसे न्यू व्लॉग के साथ. अभी हम
King of the winds.
और अभी हम लोग घूम रहे हैं नाइग्रा फॉल. जल्दी मिलते हैं आपसे नेक्स्ट पॉइंट पर नाइग्रा फॉल के व्लॉग के साथ. टिल देन बाय बाय. थैंक यू फॉर